Hey guys, this is a quick video basically showing you how I install feet on cutting boards and the jig that I use to do it. I'm going to go ahead and put this out there. This is a walnut end grain cutting board combined with maple edge grain. And for those of you that know, that's an invitation for the walnut to possibly crack in the future. Chances are it'll be fine, but I did not do myself a favor by combining these two grains. However, this was my first end grain cutting board I ever made, and I did not know that at the time. I resurrected this from my need to finish pile, and if you're anything like me, that pile's pretty big. Here's the jig, and as you can see, there's nothing fancy about it. But if you look, I found the center of that square and drilled a hole through it. And then using a square, I formed a perfect 90-degree angle by joining the two walls together. And then after struggling to get the drill bit in, you can go zip. This allows you to have evenly spaced feet on every corner of your board. Now on to the screws. Here's a little quick tip I learned somewhere, I don't remember where I heard it, but it's to put paste wax on your screws. It actually helps the wood from splitting when you're putting it in. Any paste wax will work. I use SC Johnson just because that's what my local box store had, but I'll see if I can find a link to it and put it in the description. It doesn't hurt to use a drill, but I like to hand tighten it with a screwdriver. It's just less stress on the wood. Then you just make your way around all four corners of the board, and if it's an extra large board, I usually put one in the dead center of it for stability. You may have to adjust one or two of the feet to get it level. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, it'll help the channel grow. And remember to subscribe for more content.